How to add voice effects on TikTok videos. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can add voice effects to your TikTok videos. But before we get started with this, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, first of all, since this is a new feature, I would recommend you to update the TikTok app to the latest version. So many people are actually posting down in the comments that they're not being able to see the option. That is because it could mean that you're using an unofficial version of TikTok, or maybe that your TikTok application is simply outdated. So what I would recommend you to do is you can see the update button there. If you see the update button, just tap on it in order to update the TikTok app to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to stay up to date with all the latest releases of the features and even bug fixes and so on. So let's just simply wait until the update process has been completed. So as you can see, the TikTok application has been successfully updated. Now simply go over and then open it up, and after you are logged in, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. Now what we will do is we will simply just go ahead and then try to post a video in order to add a voice effect to it. So for that, you just have to tap on this little plus icon which you see at the bottom. And now keep in mind that if you're not being able to also find the voice editing option, it could mean that you are selecting a photo. So just tap on the upload button over here, and I will simply select an existing video from my gallery. Now if I select a video, you can see all these various options. Now in order to add some voice effects to it, you'll find this little button over here on the right hand side that says audio editing. So all you have to do is tap on the audio editing button. So once you go ahead and then tap on it, you'll find all these various options, and right over here at the bottom you can see all the effects that you can actually use for this voice. So you can see the chipmunks one, you can see baritone, you can see mic, you can see megaphone and robot, battery drain, shake, electronics, echo, and so on. Just choose the one, and you can also see the little download icon. That is because the effect is also going to take some time to download it and apply to this video. If you want to add a voice over to it, you can just tap on this little record button over here, and then after you're done recording, you can tap on the stop button. If you want to replace the original sound with recording, make sure to check this box over here that says replace original sound with recording, and you can see much of these. Now go ahead and simply choose any of the voice effects that you like depending upon your own wish, and after that tap on the save button on the top right hand side of the screen, and as you can see, we have successfully added a voice effects. If you want to reduce noise and so on, you can turn on noise reducer and anything basically. And this is how you can go ahead and add a voice effect on your TikTok videos. As I said earlier, you want to make sure you have updated the TikTok app, and also you have chose a video and not a photo. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.